Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it has been forever, but I am back and I'm better and I have so much to update you guys on. Okay, so I know the big elephant in the room is like, girl, you haven't uploaded a video in like 50 million years, and I know. So I had a lot of changes happen even before COVID. Living situation wise, I was at the time in a temporary type of lease with a family member who had moved to town, and I was kind of helping them out with just getting settled in. And then COVID happened and I quarantined with Nick, which you guys have not met just yet, but he will actually be in the next video, so you guys will be seeing a lot of him. Him and I have been together now for over a year. We just actually celebrated our 1 year, so we actually kind of quarantined together. And so when quarantine happened, I kind of just moved in with him, and it was just a lot. There's just been so much that has gone on, and I'm just so excited to finally be back on here. I am in a new place. We actually moved into a new townhome, him, Liam, and I, and we absolutely love it. I'm excited to share with you guys so many different updates, but I thought in this video I could kind of show you guys my new place, how I decorated it, and so I'll be showing a before and after of the new house and the color schemes that I used. I really put a lot of thought and effort into it to make it exactly how I wanted it to be, and it was just really important for me because I know that I want to deliver consistent content to you all, not only when it comes to me chit-chatting, but also in the kitchen, the gym, and different things like that. So this place was perfect to be able to do just that. So that's why I actually decided on it. And so I hope you guys do enjoy the home tour that will be at the end of this video. Not gonna make this long at all. I just wanted to give a few updates on life and check in with everyone. I know there has been so much that has gone on between the last video I made and today. Coronavirus pandemic, the racial injustice that was highlighted during that time frame, the tensions that have been so high in the air, and then just as of yesterday, our new president-elect being elected, Joe Biden, and my Sora, Kamala Harris, as our new vice president-elect. And I just felt like now is the time for me to be able to get back into that just creative lane. I've never stopped making content during this whole hiatus for my YouTube channel. I still have been very active on social media, including my Instagram mostly. So if you're not following me, definitely go over and head over to my Instagram and follow me there. I still have been very active on Instagram throughout this because I really use this time to work out a lot and just to, because that's like my happy place. And I was filming workouts and posting content there. I am definitely ready, especially where I'm at now in life and settled. I am ready to pump out some amazing YouTube content to you all. So I'm super excited to do that, as well as just sharing a little bit of my love story. You guys have seen my pregnant and abandoned video, and I really opened up about what I went through in my life around the time I got pregnant with my son, who is about to be 7, December 10th. And I was single for 5 years, and last year I met an amazing guy, and like I said, I'm not going to talk too much about him because you guys will meet him, but he has changed my life in an amazing way, and has become a part of my testimony. And so I'm excited to share with you guys a little bit of our love story, and me and him will probably be doing a separate YouTube, Nick and Nisha, where we really open up about what it's like to not only be in a racial relationship, but also a blended family, and as dating as Christians, and trying to just navigate through the craziness of this world again in 2020. I hope you guys enjoy the house tour. We've literally been here for only 2 weeks, so this is pretty much the foundation of the houses together, but as you all know, we'll be adding a ton of stuff. I'm gonna be quiet and stop yapping and let you guys check out my new place. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you guys in my next video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later.